Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2010 Suzuki Kizashi XLS, stock reference number 4672. This shape runs from the 12th month 2009 through to the first month 2017. It has a J24B 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. J24B 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand fog light with surround, left-hand fog light with surround, left-hand headlight. This vehicle is fitted with 18-inch factory alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre, left power door mirror, left front door has one dent, left rear door appears to have no damage, left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, with the right-hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door has the multiple dents, right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. This vehicle has suffered an interior fire, so there is not much to do on the inside of the vehicle. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.